Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Vidyaniketan KUDIGE. I am Mrs. Vanita, your science teacher. Let us continue the chapter 9, Food Essence of Life. Dear students, you know that our food system is different on the basis of the climate and the food materials which are available or grown in the region in which we live. And it is also decided by the tradition or beliefs of a particular family, and it changes according to the seasons like summer season, winter and rainy season. But nowadays our food habits are becoming similar. Observe the pictures, cooking magazines and cooking shows telecasted in television, uses of internet in the mobiles. These are the factors are responsible for the change in our food habits. Nowadays, consumption of junk foods have increased instead of consuming nutritional food prepared at home. Now, what is junk food? Junk food means the food material which has less nutritional value. Junk food is not good for our health because it has less nutritional value. So we have to avoid eating junk food. The sauce that put for gobi manchuri and Chinese food which makes the food tastier. But it contains certain chemicals. Then consuming outside food also increasing nowadays. And the use of ready-made food and eating fast food is increasing in the mechanical life of city or town. The effects of change in food habits. First of all, people fall sick easily. Our body is losing the power to fight against the diseases. And poisonous chemicals may enter to our body due to the intake of tasty junk food instead of healthy homemade food. Consumption means taking spicy food and junk food has given rise to obesity problems. Obesity means increase in the weight of the body. Nowadays, we are using more ready-made food. What is ready-made food? Ready-made food are those which are already prepared and ready for use immediately. While purchasing ready-made food packets, we have to observe the following points. Date of manufacture and expiry date, the ingredients added to the stuffs, quantity of chemicals, and temperature needed to preserve the food packet. It is dangerous to eat foodstuffs which have expired or consist of a lot of chemicals. Wasting of food. There are the situations and the reasons for which food is being wasted. Throwing away food which is worth consuming is called wasting of food. Reasons for wasting of food. Functions like wedding, too much food is prepared, and during preparation of food, if food gets contaminated due to the negligence, if the food is kept open or something falls on that, this due to the negligence and cannot use that. This is one thing that can be avoided whenever we are consuming food. We should serve ourselves only how much we need and not more. Food preservation methods. Without spoiling and wasting, we have to preserve food and foodstuffs. We can preserve food items adding sugar or salt and drying. You know the taste of pickle. Salt is added to it in order to avoid spoiling many days. And for fresh fruits, we cannot add salt. Instead of salt, we can add sugar. And grapes are dried and we can consume as dry grapes. Fish, dates, chilies, mangoes, figs and coconuts we can preserve by drying them. Fish, meat and milk are preserved by storing them at very low temperature. It is called as cold storage. You might have seen that if there is a fridge in your house, usually milk is stored in a refrigerator. Dear children, good food keeps us healthy physically and mentally. I hope you all have understood this class. Thank you. Have a good day.